Happy New Year, everyone! Okay, what is your New Year's wish? Does anyone have a special New Year's wish?
I wish to get a phone.
To get a what?
Phone.
A phone daw. Buy phone. Okay, so we've got sinigang,
Be quiet.
munggo,
Be quiet. I'm not done. Be quiet.
ukoy. I'm excited to try the ukoy. And ribs. Yung ribs, tig isa lang ha. Kapag inibos mo matansinos.
Zeus, why did you get 3? Lang yan.
Tig isa lang. Oh, and the curry. Oh, I like that one.
Hey. Let's keep it hard. Hey, little bro.
Ang galo-galo natin. Ang galo-galo.
Hey, little bro.
Remember, it was like not really necessary.
Oh, from the movie? She actually can do
Okay, who's got a New Year's?
Working like
Who's got a New Year's resolution?
Me. I
Okay.
already have them written down and I'm gonna put them on. You're gonna do the grapes.
What? Okay, so share one of those New Year's resolution.
Money.
What?
Money.
Money? Give me money talaga. Okay, Tio's New Year's resolution.
Become a chair.
Become a what?
A chair.
A chair? Oh my goodness.
Chair of what? Would you want to be a chair?
wait, so what people say?
Ang mga anak namin hindi na mukhang mga bata. Mas malalaki pa sila sa amin.
Yung before and after and years ago.
It is running away.
Balik mo yung
Nag-cute garuda, Jake, wa?
Tapos nasarap pa si yung mga matatangkad tayo, wala na.
Vegetable. Leave it alone.
Mabibisi na kon.
I want food too, Chan.
Or cheese.
Buti na lang pala hindi namin get rid kasi maka-get rid kami ating nga table lang eh.
Archie, where's your hair?
Ay si Kangay kabsat diyang inya iti wish mo for New Year's. Agpapada kayo nga talaga ni Lala ganun din, money din. Puro money. Money ng
I
money.
want money.
Basta ako I'm all about world peace. Bahala kayo dyan sa pera nyo na yan. Ako hanggang world peace ako. Ha?
It'll come during the second coming, so you don't need it.
Oh, okay.
Put it over. I wish for
Or more money naman to, more money.
What is your New Year's?
What is wrong with our family? Sabi niya, dapat dawag ng world peace kasi sa second coming may world peace na. So bakit ka pa mag-wish lang, hi Alili, we've been waiting for your palabok.
He made palabok.
Hey, hey!
Ano tayo ng
You guys, ang gugulo natin. Ayun, ang sarap, chicharon. Yeah, meron. Ooh! Picture na yan. Sandali, i-crush natin yung ano dahil. Ay! Oh my gosh! Happy New Year!
Anuhin natin yung sauce ko.
New Year na naman! Okay, so we need to crush the chicharon.
Hindi kapag bulang sila ng sauce, kuha na lang. Tapos,
Nay, wala na yung bread.
Ang ribs, wala nang ribs. Jayuk, go ahead! There are no more ribs.
Kiss first. Yes, I will fight you for grapes.
Hold up, kiss first.
No, I think they're good. Go ahead. Yung lechon niya puting-puti pa. Okay, sandali. Ito. Hold on. Here, this one. May pang ano ako dito. Ah. Aray ko, ito, pwede na to. Aray ko. Ito.
ayan na, sige, yan. Tapin natin.
Where's your son?
Oh, he wants to eat bread.
Ay, pwede namang maski dito na. Oh, ganun na lang. Oh.
He said no, mom.
Ito, oh, pwede rin. Oh.
Wala kang rolling pin?
Saan na ba yung rolling pin?
Ah, ito na lang siguro. Hindi ba ito mabasag? Doon tayo sa ano? Ay, hindi naman siguro.
Hindi, ito, oh.
Hindi, mas mabilis ito. Ano? Start lang natin.
Scoop for daw sa juice.
Ayan,
Yung malaking ano mo.
Ay, nag-ano pa pala.